Want to know how belly dancers get those beautiful ballet long legs lines? This video is for you. I'm going to teach you a really beautiful combination using balletic leg moves. We're going to build up our strength, and then we're also going to do some chest isolations, bring it all into a fun combo at the end. Let's go. Let's start off just warming up, releasing through your back, reaching all the way over, loosening up through the side of the body. And then just rolling all the way down, nice and slow, releasing through your back, releasing through our legs a little bit as well. Just coming over to one side. And then over to the other side. And then back to center, very, very slowly rolling all the way up. We're just releasing through our feet, bringing one foot forward, other foot forward. Nice little stretch through the ankles, through the sole of the foot. And then relaxing through our neck. Nice. Another way. Then just coming back in, have a little open and reach through your shoulders and chest. Beautiful. Okay, so let's get straight into our legs. You can hold on to something if you need. You can hold on to a bar, hold on to a chair or a bench. We're keeping our posture as tall as we can as we lift one leg. Now, we don't have to lift high. The more important thing is to keep your body up nice and tall. So no rounding through the spine. And then just notice your leg as well. Make sure you're not like lifting with it bent. Nice and long. Think about one long line from your hip all the way to your toe. If you need to, you can tap down in between. And try to keep it nice and gentle and smooth. If you find you're jolting at the top, you don't have to go as high. Good. Let's try the other side. Nice and tall, nice and controlled. Keep your posture tall. Everything else is staying still. Just the leg. If it helps, you can spot something in front of you that's not moving. Good. Beautiful. See if you can keep that knee nice and straight. One long line from the hip to the toe. Beautiful. Nice. And shake it out. Okay, we're coming back to this side. We're pushing from here and it's like a little boom, landing to the side. Let's try it. Boom, that's it. And then coming back in. Boom, good. I know, some reason sound effects sometimes help. Okay, so how am I going to get nice and even and smooth with this move? Again, we're keeping our leg nice and straight. We're pointing our toe, thinking of one long line from the leg to the hip. Also, I'm squeezing through here so that my hip doesn't fall to the side. So squeezing through my glute, and then as I come around, I'm opening through. If you're really flexible, you might be able to bring your foot further back. If you're quite tight through your hips, don't bring it as far. You can just bring it a little bit to the side. You don't have to bring it all the way. But if you can, think of a little boom and around, keeping everything else still and focused. Nice. Good. Two more. Nice. Really squeezing through the supporting leg and glute. That's working just as hard. Beautiful. Shake it out. Let's try the other side. Coming around and in. Good. Think of that long line. Think of opening through your hips. Boom. If it helps, you can make sound effects. Good. Two more. Lovely. And shake it out. Nice work. Okay, holding onto a bar if you need to, or a chair or a bench. We're bringing our foot in front now and then sweeping around. So you might have learnt this move before. It's our rond de jambe. We're coming from the front around like a big circle, and then we're bending that knee as we bring it back in. I'll show you from the back. We're coming forward, around, and then through. So again, we're keeping our legs as long as we can. You can have a little bend if it helps support this one, but this one should stay nice and straight as it comes around. Straight and relaxed, straight and relaxed. Think about that energy from the hip to the toe. Let's try the other side. You can think about the big toe drawing a nice D shape on the floor. Yes. Nice, okay. Of course it wouldn't be belly dance unless we put our hips into it, and so that's what we're doing now. We're bringing our leg forward. As we bring our leg forward, our hip comes forward. As we bring our leg behind, our hip opens all the way through. And around. Again, you can hold onto something with this hand if it helps you to balance. You want to get the feeling more than feeling that you're going to fall over. Really get that long feeling of opening through and those nice long lines through the legs. You can see as this leg comes through, I'm bending this knee a little bit as well. Just adds a nice little dynamic. Beautiful. Other side. Nice long legs. Really trying to see if you can get that leg all the way to the back. Using your hips to open. Lovely, shake it out. Okay, the next move we're going to do is a little jewel. For this one, it's like a half circle, and then as we transfer our weight to the other side, we come into a little twist. So I'll show you from the side. I'm coming half circle around, then the back hip, twist. Other way, half circle around, this hip, twist. So my little twist, it's like I'm going back forward, very, very small. Around, twist, around, twist. And then for today, we're going to try and lift that leg up off the floor, keeping that nice long line. Beautiful. Nice and relaxed. Good. Should feel really nice with that forward circle. It's like half a circle. Around, twist. If you've got it, you can add a little squeeze as you do your twist. Squeeze. 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 And squeeze. Nice work. Shake it out. Okay, we are coming into a little combination with lots of elegant balletic leg moves today. Feel free to rewind and repeat as many of the exercises you need, especially these ones. These are really going to help you build up your strength to come into this next part. We're coming into our little combination, starting with our jewel to this side. So we're coming around, twist, around, twist. This leg's free. We're going to come into our rond de jambe. Around, and then on the second one, as we come in front, we're going boo. Nice big hip circle. So that big hip circle, all we're doing, feet out nice and wide, bring your hips back as your body comes forward, and then all the way around. So my body's staying straight to the front. I'm not leaning side to side. I'm just leaning forward a little bit, leaning back a little bit, but not putting any pressure on my lower back, and around. Okay, let's try the little combination. Jewel this side. Jewel, sweep, boom, around. And then we come onto this side, ready to jewel on this side. Jewel, rond de jambe, boo. And then around. Yes, that's it. Let's try and do it a little bit slower, nice and relaxed. Jewel, sweep, boom, around. Sorry, I realise I'm calling the rond de jambe as well as a sweep, which is what we normally call it. So if you're getting confused, that's the move I mean. And then around, sweep, boom, around into our big hip circle. And in, yes, nice work. Okay, next little bit we're doing is some chest isolation. So let's just loosen up through our chest. So we're bringing our chest one side, then the other, nice and relaxed. Good. And then we're coming up and down, up and down. So I'm really elongating through my spine. You can see I'm bringing my chest up and down. And even though it's coming from my rib cage, it's like coming from here. My core muscles are helping move the rib cage. Good. Good. And then today, our little combo, we're going to come 1, 2, 3, 4, down. Then we're going to drop all the way down, nice and relaxed. Coming up, and then 2 more. So it's like a little chest drop for 4, then all the way down, all the way up, and then 2 more. Let's give it a go. 1, 2, 3, 4, down and up. 1, 2, that's it. Depending on your music, you can see how it goes with those accents. Lovely, yes, nice work. Okay, let's bring it all together. Starting with our dual. Around, twist, around, twist, sweep, sweep, boom. Other side. Around, twist, around, twist, sweep, sweep, boom. Around, chest drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, over and up. 1, 2, again. 1, 2, 3, 4, over and up. 1, 2, nice work. Okay, let's give it a little practice with some music now. Just have fun with it. See if you can really bring this combination in with the music. Well done, shimmy shaker. Now that you have those nice long balletic leg moves, practice with lots of different music. Remember, the more combinations you have in your tool belt, the more interesting your dancing and your improvisation will be. Enjoy it and happy dancing.